Welcome. Sorry it took a bit for me to initialize everything. Um, I'm just trying to wait for our first scene to load. It's a Unity game made for the GMT Game Jam 2022. I never ended up finishing it. Probably 1,000 people in that jam. So, well, perfect timing. It just loaded. Alright, yeah, perfect timing. So I'm gonna put this up right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry for a little delay right here. There we go. Well, it's not fully centered, so there's gonna be a bit of white in the background, so that kind of sucks. Let me just put this below everything else so you guys can see all this stuff. Alright, here we are. So, basically, as you guys probably all know, the theme was roll the dice. So you guys probably wondering, what did I come up with? Well, I'm gonna show you. I don't know if everyone else did this because I haven't played some of the games. All right, okay, I know who you're from. Okay, so I think you guys know where I'm going with this. Yeah. You're rolling a dice basically. That's basically the entire game. So I'm gonna get the rolling mechanic done with. Also, you can find us on GitHub. I'm gonna put that in the chat. When part 4, I don't know. I've lost complete motivation for that. Files for it got completely corrupted. Oh, it sucks. I've lost lots of motivation. And hello, Novus. Okay, basically, um, now I only end up making a player movement and getting Kenny's sprite import. That is all I managed to do before I said screw this, because this is like the 6-hour point in the jam. The lava does absolutely nothing right here, so don't be expecting to find anything. The boxes have absolutely no collision. You might also see, I don't know if it's a bit harder, but I was fighting with this bug for like 2 hours where the rolling script wouldn't actually work and it would yeet the player randomly. Um, that's why I made it like on key press instead of you being able to hold a key. So yeah. So yeah, that one was actually extremely short because of how little I managed to do it. Now because this I'm gonna open up the script here. Let me put you guys oh, hello, Nate. So let me where is it? The GitHub repo. Okay, just copy the link right here. You guys can. That is not the right thing. That is not the right thing. Paste it. All right. Seriously, can I just copy a link? All right. Where is this? Let me just go. If you guys want to check out any source code, you guys can check it out on GitHub. So there, check it out. Hello, Nate Pixel. I'm going to now share the code right here. It should be pretty short. Let me close our Unity Hub. I have a lot of stuff running in the background. Holy cow. So let me just get the Visual Studio window for a sec. Okay, let me see. Visual Studio is still trying to load. It's a lot of resources. Like holy cow. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see. Are you serious? Where is Visual? Oh, there it is. Devin, whatever that is. Alright. There we go. We got all of that ready. Let me just see how this looks. I need to lower this down. Let me just lower that down for a sec. I'm gonna actually hide this. Let me just hide Unity for a sec. And there we go. We have Visual Studio. Now this is an extremely simple script. Here we have our rigid body and player. We have our roll speed. We have is moving. We initialize our rigid body. If it's moving, just stop. Then if it's not, we check if the player's pressing A. Then we call this function called assemble, which I'll show you that does later. And we pass in the parameter of left. Same thing for D, but just with right. A symbol takes in a direction. Here we get, I don't care, Copilot. Alright. Here we have an anchor right here. We get the anchor via some scary maths. Same thing for the axis. Then we roll on the anchor and axis. We set its moving to true. Set the gravity scale to 0. Basically rotate the guy right here. Set it back to normal. And then stop moving. That is literally it. It's all, but it is very oversimplified, alright? Also, let me just exit this now. So yeah, that is how that works. Pretty basic, I think. So, that is literally it for the first project. Very short. Our next one's gonna have a bit more stuff in it. I'm gonna need to do some stuff with initializing. I'm gonna need to export it because this project hasn't been exported, though it has a lot of juicy stuff in it. So you guys might have to wait a tiny bit while we do that. I hope it isn't long. If it is long, I'm gonna put up the waiting screen. All right. So yeah. In the meantime, you guys can also ask any questions, as this also serves as a Q&A. Alright, this is taking quite a bit to load up. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna put up the waiting screen with the audio. So let me set up that waiting screen while we just wait for literally this to compile. Actually, we might actually not have to do that. Actually, no, yeah, we probably have to do that. Let me just set up this, get the audio rolling. Alright, so it's I got the thing exported. Now I'm just waiting for it to load. Also, if you don't know what this is a Minecraft mod right here. So I'm gonna show you this. Once Minecraft is completely done loading, which I don't know how long it's gonna take, but based on Unity, it's gonna take a bit. Though not like crazy long. There we go. I think it's all loading. If it got the right Forge version, it should let me use this mod. Let me switch to my main. Please say I got the right Forge version, because if I didn't, that's gonna be just crap. Alright, just waiting for Minecraft to fully load. Yes, right version. There we go. So now I am going to share this right here. So let me just alright. Actually, let me keep that scale. I want full screen this application, so that's gonna mess with the aspect ratio. It's just a tiny bit, yep. Oh, wait, I'm moving it out. Let's just wait a sec. Just trying to get this all centered and good. Okay, you're gonna see the white bars again because I have the application full screen, which it just makes it easier for me to use, but you do get these ugly bars right here. There we go. Hello, Luigi's and Dev. Welcome. We are just covering some stuff. So, I'm just making sure. Can you guys all see that just completely fine? My computer's not taking this well. It hates when I have multiple high tax programs open. Okay, I'm just making sure you guys can see this. Let me just move this a tiny bit upwards. Alright, so probably going to play them on now. And we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna do creative mode so it's just easier for me to show you all this stuff. Okay, let's wait for Minecraft to create the world. Alright. Let's just wait for this to load. It'll take a while. So you guys can also ask me questions as well, because this also serves as a Q&A, just like all my other specials as well. Man, this is taking such a while to load. Yeah, probably because I have so much stuff open. Let me close out a few programs I don't need. There we go. Hello, Noblesse, or Mineta. Alright, it's around 65%, 60 okay, yep, that's going way faster. Which is nice, because I'm tired of this, just trying to load. When XGen 0.0.7 has already come out in February. And I don't think I'll be doing XGen updates in a while. Because I don't really know what else to do. I mean, I could do dialogue and cutscenes. I tried to do that, but that was kind of a mess. Everything is loaded. This mod has quite a few stuff. Let me see. Just where is this? Well, we already know we have something. Oh, yeah, there it is. Explosion and ignite. So these are two custom enchantments that I added. Now these these two enchantments all related to TNT. So I'm gonna get Anvil, my TNT, and these enchantments. Need to check the chat for a sec. All right, TNT plus explosion. What do you think it's gonna be? Okay, let me put this far away because this is extremely destructive. So basically what explosion does is when you place a TNT, it automatically ignites it like the ignitement enchantment, but it also spawns 10 extra TNT below it. Oh, it also causes a pre-made explosion when you place it. That's quite a bit of damage right there, isn't it? In my opinion, Java is better. Easier to mod for me, just overall better. Even if it's made in, let's just say, not the best language. Alright. Let me get another piece of TNT since this one has the cursive binding on it now. Yeah, I forgot the enchantments also, bind to it. So the next one is, now this is not all the mod adds, or I would try not covered it. Here, let me just show you what Ignite does. It's an extremely simple enchantment. This automatically ignites it when you place it. Just really simple overall. I've also added a bit more stuff. The Heart Sword. You guys know Lifesteal? Any of you guys know Lifesteal? Yeah, I decided to remake it. Remake it using a Heart Sword. That's a little pun right there. It broke your heart. So, here. I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna get some spawn eggs, some zombies. I'm gonna show you what this thing does. Because you obviously need to be in survival for this to, you know, make sense. Creative mode doesn't really do a good job at demonstrating this. Let me get like 10 zombies right here. Game mode survival. So I have these two zombies. I need to whack you all. And as you can see, every time I hit them, I gain 2 hearts. It's pretty broken. It's not when NCD dies. I could do that, but I guess I decided to make it extremely broken. But you gain hearts. You also keep them. It took me a long time to make this. Oh, it's lagging. Nothing I can really do about that. Streamlabs is like the best lag preventer for stuff. And even that's lagging, so nothing I can really do about. Hello, Theo developer. Also, Luigi Sindef about the Bedrock thing. Java and Bedrock are coming together, so that's gonna be available to Java as well for now. Oh wait, I see what you mean. Yeah, that is a buff that there's a friends tab you are able to do. Yeah, I see what you mean. Let me just game mode. Okay. So there's also hearts you can do. Here's the heart. You can eat it and you'll gain a heart. Actually, let me go back into game mode survival and just demonstrate that. Here, when I eat this, I gain 2 hearts. Also, the reason why it's 2 hearts is actually because if I go right here, I'm actually using health boost right here. Just a little fun fact. Go back to creative. You check the chat. I mean, yeah, I have a lot of programs. Well, not really a lot anymore, but Minecraft does cause a ton of lag when I'm running with like something like Streamlabs. It should be over, and my voice should be enough to actually cover it. And if you want to run this and see in its full potential, everything is on GitHub, and you can compile it yourself. I mean, with the Minecraft thing, you can't really compile it. You have to just implement. You have to make your own mod first and figure out a way to implement that. But it's still there on GitHub. There's also more stuff. You just need to go looking for it. There's also this troll. That's not a troll. That's the wrong thing. Is there a spawn egg? Let me see. Yeah, there's a spawn egg. I'm gonna put this far away because he's extremely destructive and he also causes a ton of lag. So, you know, not sure. Also, break even very far away, so it don't cause extra lag for the stream. Also, I'm gonna see what I can do about the lag. I'm gonna go into my video settings, just set these two. Not fabulous. Don't do fabulous fast and lower that render distance, simulation distance. Same thing. 0.9 chunks. Smooth lighting is off, and keep VSync on. That should really help with some stuff. Yeah, it looks absolutely ugly, but it should help with the lag part. Tell me if it helps you with the lag. I know. I know it lags. Just tell me if me just works. Anyways, here's what the troll guy does. Let me stand back a bit. So he will place a TNT, I think, every 10 seconds. Oh, yep, there it goes. And from there, he will continuously place it. There he goes! Oh, fuck. Oh my. We'll just leave him to his own doom right there. Yeah, imagine trying to just bring out to one of your friends below your house. Let me check the chat. Yeah. I hope I remember to change those settings back after the stream. Yeah, okay, I guess I had to change the settings. Anyways, I'll move all the way over here. Okay. There's also a bit more stuff. I don't remember how much I add, but it's probably a lot. Let's see, it's not, okay, anything in tools, I don't see anything. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a Mogus in here. Here, let me just, okay. Yeah. There it is, Amogus. Pretty sus. There's also Amogus meat, which is literally meat. I'm not even joking now. It's funny. I think the Amogus spawning actually does, I think the Amogus does a lot of damage towards you, so let's test it out. Oh, yep, that does quite a bit of damage. Stop. Oh my god. Yeah, oh, yep, he does quite a bit of damage. Alright, yeah. Oh, yeah, and there's a thing where the hearts continue. Has delay. I know, I set that in the settings. I don't know if I can change it back. This is my normal stream settings. And I know that it really does suck. Like, it sucks real bad. And I hate the latency on this. But I'm gonna see if I can change it. If I can change it, that will be amazing. I think I can change it within the settings. Let's see. While I wait for YouTube to load that up, I'm gonna check if I add anything else. I think I add a tiny bit more. Anything in transportation, anything in rental. That's really it. I swear. Oh yeah, I also added a new biome, but I can't really show you that because that's far out and extremely rare. In the meantime, I'm gonna see if I can fix this latency problem. Let's see. Okay, let's go to. Can I really not change that? That would suck like a lot. Let me check the settings of this, or set this the settings for my channel. Okay, I guess I can't really change that, which is pretty sad. So rip for that. R.I.P. Okay, let me go back to the stream now. Sorry I can't change the absolutely terrible latency. I'm probably gonna set to low latency next time. Anyways, is that really it for this mod? I think there's a bit more. Did I add? Is that really it? I swear there's a lot more. It's not like I can check the source code because that would lag stuff even more. Wow, that's actually it. That is surprising. I thought I did a lot more. Turns out I did not. Anyways, I'm going to go and check the chat now, see what you guys are saying. Yes, Mogus moments. It is pretty sus. Is the latency? Wait a sec. Dude, is the latency really that bad? Well, let me see if I can change my stream off. I just realized the latency could be really that bad. Because you guys are saying those messages like 2 minutes after the thing, I think. Wow, the latency sucks. Like, serious. Yes, it is a pretty sussy mod. Literally all my mods just have Amogus. I made one particular mod to Amogus because I thought it was really funny. Oh, wow, this is taking a long time to load. I can see some of your chat messages. Let me read some other ones. Let's see. Yes, the TNT troll guy. And thank you, Nate Pixel, for saying it's good. I worked pretty hard on this, even even if it doesn't look like it. All right, Novus. I hope you enjoy that. Let's see. Oh, delete. Oh my god, why is YouTube taking like 2 billion years to load? Okay, there we go. So, I think that's it for the mod. I'm surprised about how fast we're going through the list. We're gonna make it to that special project in no time. There's literally 2 more things after it before I make it to the project. Should I? I'm not gonna lower it down because that's just kind of rude. Wow, I did not realize how fast we were gonna go through that. Wow, I would have put the project on the special project lower if we were gonna go through it that fast. So I've closed down Minecraft, and our next project on the list is some programming languages. Sussy fuck up. So yeah, that is it. I don't know why I opened up Discord by accident. Let me close that. So yeah, I am now going to plus this. Let's see. I need to open up this. This one's not going to be crazy lag because all it is it's just me going to Visual Studio Code and doing some stuff. So I'm only going to do 2 programming languages because I've made way too much programming languages. That is kind of insane. It's really, really stupid. I've made so much. I've made too much actually. Alright, so we have how many? 5? Wow. Okay. Should I do good I'm not gonna ask that because the latency. I'm not. Alright. Do you guys want me to do good object-oriented programming? I'm not even joking. That is an actual language that I made and named, and it's unreleased. That is a really, really bad. Okay. Yeah, so should I do good object-oriented programming? Lonely Pixel. Should I do it? Should I review good object-oriented programming? Let me see. How much is even in this? Let me see. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of stuff in here. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna do good object-oriented programming first. There's not that much stuff. I mean, let's see. What do we have? Let me just see the code. Let me overview that. We have variables. I'm going to. All right. Minus delay. Yeah. Even if I put the lowest delay, there'd still be a delay. Delay is a delay. As that. The reason why I want to have like a low delay is actually because see, if I put this on the lowest delay, you would see this in you would see this the quality of a video in 2004. Yeah. So so yeah, it's not a good object-oriented programming. So I'm gonna share my screen on Visual Studio. I've had so many warnings from OBS, so much warnings. Oh my. Um, Okay, let's add Visual Studio Code to this right here. Let's see. I should probably just edit my Visual Studio thing to include Visual Studio Code because they're technically just the same thing. So let's see. Okay, where is this? Okay, we have Notepad, Steam, Explorer, Notepad. Okay, no, fine. I guess I have to just make a new one. That's kinda stupid. Alright, sorry if it's taking a bit for me to do this. So, I'm gonna do VS Code. Let's see. Can we find this? There we go, code. Let's go. Alright. Let me just scale that out. That seems good. And what am I scaling on? Oh shoot. Yeah, the delay depends on whoever it is. So if you have bad internet, the delay is gonna be like 20 years. So, anyways, here is this. There's no object-oriented programming in this whatsoever. The only thing we have is this, I guess. So in this language, let's see. Oh, we were working on functions. Well, screw functions, alright? Let's see if the print function works. Alright, let's do our classic thing, Python main.py. Okay, that's how that works. No parentheses, I see. Okay, that's a weird choice, but I don't care. Alright, variable, let's make a variable just called test and say equal to amounts. Alright, let's just print this. Does this work? I really don't know. It works. Okay, so variables work. I think that's the only thing that actually fully works without breaking. Oh, wait, we have some string functions. We have insert, remove, and yeah, that's it. And I guess we tried to do some functions right here, which wasn't working the last time I was working on this. I remember this was not working. I don't think I really need to try these functions right here. Let me read it out in chat. Yeah, it's Friday fucking compiling. It sucks. The amount of things you have to install. I have like 2 gigabytes of that stuff. Your business isn't working. Rib. Alright. Now, I'm gonna show you another programming language instead, alright? This one's more fleshed out. I don't remember which one was more fleshed out. I know it's not locon C minus. I think it's L. Let's see, when was the earliest one? Oh, K probably, because that was in May. Wow, stuff going back to May. Wow. Oh, yeah, this is way more full-fleshed now, I think. I wouldn't say it's usable, but it is good. There's some... I know if statement does not work at all. Yeah, wow. I think this also has a mini tokenizer. Oh, yeah, there it is. Um, let's see what this program does. This little program, main.blue. Let's see, Python main.py. Open up main.blue. Oh, I have to do something stupid. I have to make an actual command. Run main. Test. Okay, yeah, that prints a variable named test. Now there is a bit more stuff like I think you can do, yeah, you can do floats. Dude, I spent a long time making variables. There's also inputs. How does input work? I actually don't know. I haven't done this in such a while. Let's see. I think it's just this. I think it's just inputs test. Let's see. Let me. What's also function fully do right here? Okay. Okay. So we do this test. That it? Oh, okay, that's it. So let's run that again. Oh, I literally thought I was Python for a second. Oh, I have my own little code system. Okay, the input's working. Sus. Yo, okay, so we actually have inputs. We also have some string operations. Let me check the chat. Invalid stuff. What do you mean? Oh, your OBS. I mean, there is some ways to do that. My OBS settings, I use Streamlabs, but I also use OBS sometimes. I use Streamlabs because it's really efficient with dealing with lag, even after the drama update XGen. I have kind of lost my motivation for XGen. Not gonna lie. Though it is open source, so other people can contribute to it as well. Though I haven't seen any pull requests. Or maybe I have seen pull requests and or maybe there is pull requests and I just haven't seen them. So, yeah. But for my stream maps, I set to software X264, I think. That's something like that. There's also some stuff like set we can, I am assuming we can set a variable. So let's see. How does this function work? Wow. There's a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's see. So we just do. So for example, I can just do this. Okay. So if I don't want test to be displayed, I can do set. Let's see. Let me read the source code on my program. Okay. So we set test, and I think we have to do equal and to set that to so I don't even care. 211? Wow! How much subs has this stream boosted? I thought it was like 207 before I started stream. Yeah, streams do really good on my channel. Yeah, that's how it works. I think if the arrow as like as setting it to a value. Oh yeah, let me remove that equal sign. I just realized that's probably gonna pop up with an arrow. Yeah, so I think an arrow is just setting the value. Actually in school, I actually have another programming language. It has been corrupted because of a hard drive failure, so rib. But dude, I have this entire like 4 pages in my science notebook, not computer science. It was literally me in science class just writing just an entire concept for a language, bro. Like every single one of its rules, like really. Let's see. Okay, I hope this actually works and I didn't screw up something. Let's see. So we should get sus. Okay, that is good. Yeah, yeah. You just have to set some settings in OBS and 8 pixel. So for my recording stuff, I use software X 264 for the software hardware. I think you just have to change some settings and you'll find it eventually. That's just how it works. The reason why it happens is because of driver stuff. So yeah. Anyways, I think I'm gonna show one more language and just leave the rest of the two for you to check out on GitHub. Next one, let's do Locon. Alright. Oh, this one's a Visual Studio project. I'm not really in the mood for doing that right now. So let's just do K. What's C minus minus? C minus minus. I don't think I really be needing that one. Let's do L. Set test is equal to sus. That's not how the language is meant to be formatted, because of course, we are different in the L word. Okay, this is meant to resemble some C++ code right here, but the keyword is, does this work? Probably not. Yeah, this doesn't really do anything. Yeah, I can just run this immediately, and I'll show you what this does. All right, it's some shitty tokenizer here. If anything ends up working, I'll be surprised. Wow. Oh no, wait, I meant to provide an argument for a sec. Alright, main.txt. You can tell it's not ready because I'm using txt files. Okay, it doesn't even work. Okay. Yeah, the only thing that's here is semicolon detection. So if I remove a semicolon, it will alert me. That is the only thing that is in this language, is semicolon detection. That is it. Everything else is not in this thing. You can also check, by the way, you can also check this on GitHub. I know I keep saying this. What's OBS? OBS is open broadcaster software. Yeah, it's how you record videos and do live streams. There's also Streamlabs OBS, which is what I use because it's effective at dealing with lag. So now I'm sorry if I keep mentioning the GitHub, but there's a lot of stuff in here that you guys should really check out. All right. All right. Yeah, it's for my languages. Well, not really. We have a scratch line. Yeah, I forgot. All right. So I want everyone to just take a guess. What do you think scratch line is? What do you think it is? I just want literally everyone to just take a guess. Well, what do you think it is? All right. Before I even open this, all right. Before I even open this. So yeah. Also, let me see. Well, there's a lot of stuff in this. There's template. There's test folder. What is that test folder? Test JSON test mail. Oh, yeah, that's our test environment. Okay, but what do you think this is? Scratch line. And well, I really do hate this crap latency. I don't know why I decided. You know what? Having this latency is a good idea. Why did I decide that was a good idea? Make an engine? I could, but I didn't decide that for my 200 sub special. Maybe I could just do it on an off day if I wanted to. Damn, I really hate this latency. You have to wait for like 2 minutes for you guys to catch up with the stream. I wish I really did change that latency setting. Like, seriously. Big mistake for me to have that crap latency. By the way, the latency is not my computer's fault. It's a setting with. Oh, I was say in the chat. But latency really does suck a lot. You don't know what it is, Nate Pixel? Or how about you, Luigi Zindev? What do you think it is? Alright, I'm gonna wait for like, I don't know, like 10 more seconds before I get tired of the latency. Okay. Oh, line. Line. L-A-N-G. Line stands for language. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm just gonna open this up. Basically, scratch a line. Don't make it. Well, because number one, Twitch, it's extremely hard to grow. Number two, it's a 200 sub special. Of course, I'm gonna do it on YouTube. And I was trying to do Twitch, but that didn't really pan out. So, this is our thing, which is basically turning Scratch into a line-based language. Now, the reason why this never came out was because Scratch has a crappy JSON format where everything just sucks. I got a few things to work, like this make sprite, some looping, but everything else was just no. So I managed to get working with the make sprite, looping, and the move block. That is all I managed to get to work. There's the syntax of the language. Oh, there's also another one, blocky. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to run this Python main.py. File name main.block. It prints out the JSON code for debug reasons. Oh no, wait, it prints it out so you can copy it. Right now I'm a bit lazy to do something, so I'm actually gonna show you what the output result is of this because I think I already compiled it. So yeah, let me just check the chat. So yeah, that's what this is. Just compiles into a full Scratch project. So let me see. Scratch line. Test. The test contains this SB3 file, which is the full compact thing. So I'm gonna add this to my thing right here. Also, yay, I'm gaining reasonable FPSs again, so that's nice. Alright, I'm gonna create a new thing, and I'm just gonna call it, Scratch. Just Scratch. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna open this cool SBC file. It won't be that much. It's gonna be barely anything. Don't be expecting that much. But it does show the concept at its core. Oh, there is also a go-to. So it isn't the exact result, but it's close enough. Let's see. Notepad, Visual Studio Code. Okay, I don't find it anywhere, seriously. Let's see, maybe something else. Okay, let me just, yeah, okay. Sorry, this is taking a while. It'll take a while at doing this. Let me see, can I find this? Here, see, there we go. So here it is. This came from mostly this. Not all of this, as you can see, but mostly this. And as you can see, it's pretty obvious it moves the sprite forever. That is really all I managed to do with this. And don't think you can have multiple blocks stacked on top of each other. That was really hard for me to do. That's how that works. It has a really nice syntax, so it's such a bummer that, I can't really tell, especially since it would have been, like, cool and mind-blowing. It would have revolutionized Scratch, but, some projects go to die. So, that is it, for the programming languages. So we are now at my special project. Saying, so basically, alright, so I need to do some stuff. Why is this taking forever? Sorry if I'm putting a delay on this. Okay, I've been working this for like 2 months now. If you watch that video, you know I've been working this for 2 months. And it's been an insane ride to make this so far. Not the joyous of rides, especially right before the stream. Oh, that was a nightmare. So, I'm gonna do something for a sec. So, sorry if I'm holding up the line. Alright. Make sure to check in chat, everyone. There's gonna be some amazing stuff in there. There, I'm also made a separate Discord server for it. So, here, guys, you guys can also check that out. So, here is the Discord server for it as well. Check all of that out, alright? I see, I think some people have joined. Let me see. So everyone, just make sure to check that out. I put all that in the chat so everyone who's on the stream can join. Also, wow, I really do need to update my sub goal. I just realized that. So, need to do a bit more stuff. You guys can join up. So, I might as well just reveal what this is now because I've already linked everyone to it, and it's Discord. So probably just gonna and that is that. It's Twin Gamer's chat room. It's basically a full chat room. You guys can talk in here. There's also a custom level builder. I forgot I need to share my screen. I don't know why I haven't shared my screen yet, but alright, let me just clear basically almost everything out that I don't need. What's my favorite game engine? Unity or Scratch? Unity because I started out with it, and Scratch because it's fun to break. Because it's fun to literally break it. Basically, this is my MMO. Yeah, it's an entire MMO, and I thought it would be a good idea. So let me just get Chrome open. Here this is. This is the MMO. Here's this little person right here. You can emote, you can do a lot of stuff in here. I would recommend joining everyone, by the way, so make sure to join. I sent the Google Drive link, including the Discord, for everyone to join. So there's there's this cool little chat room right here. Also, do keep in mind, I might log onto this again because usually in my streams I have a peak and then I have a downfall. So basically, first, this is the beginning part. I don't get as much views. See, what happens is that I get a little beginning part, and then we have the middle part. Probably gonna do this again in the middle part because that's when a lot of people start to join right in the middle. So I will do this again. Yes, Unity is really nice. So probably gonna put this into a separate tab. Not gonna lie. So let me just hide Chrome for a second. Put this in a separate tab. Just makes my life a bit easier. Just wait a sec while I try to find this thing. Where's the second Chrome thing? Seriously, this might take long. I'm gonna also make a map right here so you guys can join this custom map. Alright? I'm trying to set up Chrome for a sec while I just, Yes, Unity can be absolutely amazing. It's probably the best scene that's ever been created. I use it for a lot of games. Not this one though. I decided to make it in Scratch because why the hell not? Yeah, but Uni is overall just absolutely great. Alright, here it is. Let me just move this down. Just way down, yeah. I forgot I moved this a lot, so put this all there. Alright, this is it. I'm gonna host a thing, it's me, and I'm on a stream because why not? You guys can see that I'm gonna be making a cool level. I would also recommend joining the Discord as well. You can share your map codes on it, and it's overall just great. No, I mean just... Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put some plants around here. Is this the right thing? I can't tell. Okay, that is a stick. So basically, almost everything is made by me. Let me check the chat. I don't use a notebook or a PC. I just use a laptop. That's it. So here it is. I'm gonna host a server, and I'm gonna put the map data in the Discord as well as in I have a lot of these map DS. I'm gonna put it in the Discord in the map area. So I'd recommend joining that. If you don't want to join it, I'll put it on the Google Drive where you can check that out. So here it is, the map there. Tell me if anything glitches out, because there's probably gonna be a quite a bit of bugs. So, okay, I'm gonna put the code in the chat. You guys can copy and paste that. So, I'm also gonna put the map onto the Google Drive, so you guys can check that Google Drive out. Let me just I get this thing right here. I'm just gonna share that entire folder, not gonna lie, so you guys can check out basically everything in here. I'm gonna upload the map data right here. Just wait. Then you will be able to join once everything is all set and done. You'll need a map data and the code to join, by the way. Wait, not just the HTML, I want the entire room. That entire thing. There we go. So I'm gonna copy the link, and guys, check this out. Right, there's the game right there, including the map data, so you guys can basically join. You guys can play with me. Oh crap! I just removed some map data. Crap. That might screw some things up. That's probably gonna screw a lot of things up. Probably gonna get a separate client so I can be in the lobby. I also put little Easter eggs. I also put little Easter eggs on the things. You guys are just chilling right there. I see it. Just sending your emotes. I see. So yeah, you guys can join. It's pretty fun actually. This is with quite a bit of people. Mostly my friends, not really just with the public, or else this wouldn't be a grand reveal. Novelist, you can't just put a path to your PC. That's not how sharing works. That's not how that works, right? Or Nate, you can't just do that. Sorry. So anyways, you guys can also ask me questions. Who are you? Well, so my name is Snacks. Why does somebody nick themselves to who are you? You can use T to talk. Who is who? You can just use T to talk. You don't have to nickname yourself. You don't really need to do that. So you guys can go. Also, if you want to know how you can join, if you are on PC, all you have to do is go into this custom room area, and then go and just press J. I will go back into the main area right here. So yeah, let me check the chat. So, how do you guys think this is? Do you think it's pretty nice? So yeah, I'll just be on my main account. It wasn't really an account. It's more like just a player. You guys can just visit my room if you guys want to. You guys can chill around here. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that chat is uncensored, so just keep that in mind. That's why there's a blocking feature, so if anyone misbehaves, you can just block them within the slight instant. Also, I'm probably going to make a website for this. So once that comes out, I'll probably link it somewhere.